This is how I took this Ethereum trade. You can see first of all here on the daily time frame, I was looking at my bias and I find out that we are bullish on the daily time frame. You can see a series of break of structure. This is a break of structure to the upside. This one is another one. This one is another one. We just have what a change of character. Remember guys, a change of character does not mean that we are now bearish. All right, so the overall trend of the market here on the daily time frame is simply what? Bullish. Okay, so we are bullish on the daily time frame. Then what do you now do? So we go to the 4-hour time frame. Let us see if we can spot any valid point of interest. Remember, our bias is bullish, so this is it here. I think I marked out this bullish order block, and I also marked out this bullish breaker level. I was waiting for price here, and then price came to breaker level, and then I looked for confirmation in 5 minutes and it dished out, but something happened. Before it dished out, it took me out before going my direction. So that is part of the game, guys. Now today this one here is the most current structure of the 4-hour. Okay, so we're able to see a break of structure even though it broke with the wick. As long as market structure is concerned, we just want to see a higher high. All right, so this is actually what a higher high. So this is a break of structure to the upside, and then we have this order block here. This order block, this is a valid order block. Why is this order block valid for me? It is because it is a bullish order block, number one. Then number two, the bullish order block have what? A fair value gap. We can see, guys, there is a gap, a tiny gap between these two areas. This is a gap here, and we also have the second gap here, you see. So that is a gap. All right, so because it has this fair value gap, and not just a fair value gap with displacement. Displacement simply means when we have two green candles closing above each other wick. All right, so that three things tells me that what this order block is what valid for me. Okay, so now that this order block is valid, I simply wait for what price to reach the order block zone, and price actually came to the zone. This is the first time price is coming to this order block at this spot. Good. So here price came. Now that price has already come to this order block, what do we now do? We kindly go to the 5 minutes time frame. I like to use 5 minutes time frame so as to catch the move early. All right, now remember, while you're trying to catch the move early, you can also be deceived. Like, you can have a fake out. All right, when I mean fake out, a move that is not actually the original move, and then you end up hitting stop loss. Maybe the second time the move may be correct. So, but I don't care. I just like to take the first move, because if price give me a confirmation of an order block, that is a point of interest, for the first time, and it invalidates it later, then to me, I see that point of interest as not strong enough to carry on with my trade. So I just wait for another point of interest. Okay, I trade each point of interest just once. Now see what happened, guys. This is the first time price is reaching here. All right, so we have this is a change of character, and we have what? A break of structure. All right, so this break of structure confirmed that since price came to this zone and is about to push up, that is the change of character, then it retraced and creates a break of structure. That tells me that my bias has now aligned with my daily bias, bullish. All right, and then I look closely to this area. I saw that there is a lonely order block that has not been mitigated, guys. A lonely order block that has not been mitigated. So what do? I'm taking trade from this order block. So I place my entry there, and then this is it, guys. See what market has been doing. It has been going up, going up, going up. It has not yet come to my entry. So I'm expecting that what it should come to this entry and then give me what my take profit. So that is what my trade idea for Ethereum. Now remember, this is a this is probability market. When I say probability, it can in fact, it could happen, it could not happen. All right, that is why your risk management must be intact. Do not play with your risk management, guys. Some persons risk 2% per trade, some persons risk 1%, some persons risk 5%. Make sure whatever you're risking is what is not what you crying for. Like, if it goes against you, all right, if it goes against you, it should be, you don't need to attach so much emotion, like, killing yourself because you lost. No, losing is part of the game, guys. So risk what you can be able to what lose. All right, so that is it for Ethereum. See you guys next time.